We're going for a little road trip upstate to pick up a tree. I got these in the mail. They are the side markers, obviously. Only 40 bucks for the pair, I guess. You got this one, and this is the other one. So, look pretty decent. So I'll show you the before and after. It's super simple to install. Snaps into place. And you put just the one fastener up there, and that's it. Go pop these in, see how they look. Okay, so these are the old ones. I cracked this thing trying to pop that out. So that's ruined. So this is how it looks. So this is the old look. So all you gotta do is take, this is a different screw I'm using, but it'll just be a screw you gotta pop out. I'm trying to do this with one hand. So you pop that screw out. This bottom tab's broken on this one, so it pops out pretty easily. And then you undo that clip. So do the side next. Undo the screw. It should pop right out. Pull forward. And I broke the clip. Nicely done. Pick that up later. Broke the bottom of that. These things aren't really meant to hold up at all. So, okay, you don't want to rush this like I'm doing, because you will damage either yourself or the light. That is not how hard that should have been. But anyway, so out with the old light. You gotta take it out with the whole bulb and everything, because you need that bulb. You can get new LED ones or whatever you want to do. But anyway, this pops out. Toss them to the side. Now for the new ones, they just go right back in. So, comes with a cute little piece of foil here for some reason. Like that's gonna do anything. Just keep dust out of it, I guess. Okay. Some of these holes don't line up. Not lining up properly. So just be aware you might have to file. I just forced it in. I was able to just force it in there. It's not ideal. And it's actually not a tight fit like the other ones. Just spins in place. So I'm gonna have to do something about that. But we gotta go, so just keeping it that way for now. As you can see, it just slides back in like that. There's a clip right here at the bottom. Once that snaps in, then you're in place. And then you gotta make sure these down here line up as well. So, yeah, it's a real pain in the ass, huh? Let's try this side. Okay, so looks a lot better. These lights didn't fit in perfectly. I still have to adjust them. You can't tell, you can tell if I show you up close right here. See that big gap? I have to set them in properly. It makes a big difference to the car, having these lights on it. I'll show you what I'm talking about. The tab right here, these tabs on the Chinese ones are, well, the bottom one's broken on this. Here's a better example. See these tabs, that one and this one? The body panel is supposed to basically slide between the tab and the outer shield, but the thing is, the Chinese ones, the tab's so thick and it protrudes into the that space where the quarter panel is supposed to slide into. every time I try to jam it in there, it gets stuck on that. So I had to sand it down a little bit to get it to fit, which I have to do further. So it's not a perfect fit. I had to do a lot of things, and this part was super loose. It wasn't tight at all. So I gotta get some sealant or something. But other than that, it wasn't bad.